Hello, in this video let us discuss factoring quadratics using difference of two squares. The formula of difference of two squares is this. So a squared minus b squared, and the factored form is a plus b times a minus b. Okay? By the title of the subject, difference of two squares. So our squares are a squared and b squared, and we're subtracting them. Okay? It means if we follow this pattern, we can easily identify the factored form. When we say factored form, it means the form at which we're multiplying. Okay? So to demonstrate this, let's answer some example problems. Say, let's factor x squared minus 4. Okay, so this is an application of difference of two squares. Why? Because x squared is a square and 4 is also a perfect square. Because we can rewrite this as x squared minus 2 squared. Okay? So in essence, this is in the form of a squared minus b squared, wherein a is x, b is 2. Alright, so let's follow the formula. Okay, so a squared minus b squared in the formula is this. A plus b times a minus b. In this case, a is x, b is 2. So, a plus b, we have x plus 2, and then times a minus b. So, x minus 2. And this is the factored form. Next, let's say factor x squared minus 49. Okay? Both of them are squares because we have x squared minus, and then 49 is 7 squared. Again, this is in the form of a squared minus b squared. Our a is x and our b is 7. Substitute them to the factored form above. So, the factored form of this expression is a plus b. Our a is x, so x plus b is 7 times a minus b. So x minus 7. Let's try another one. Say factor 9x squared minus 64. Okay. This expression is also an application of difference of two squares because 9x squared is 3x squared. 3 squared is 9 and x squared is x squared, so 9x squared. Minus 64 is also a perfect square. And the square root of 64 is 8, so 8 squared. Again, this is in the form of a squared minus b squared. Our a is 3x and our b is 8. So, the factored form, following the formula above, is a plus b, so a is 3x, plus b, b is 8, times a minus b, so 3x minus 8. And there you go. Let's try another one. Say factor 5x squared minus 45. Alright, for this one, both of them are not squares. 5x squared is not a square and 45 is not a square as well. However, we can factor out the greatest common factor, which is 5. So if we factor out 5, 5x squared divided by 5 is x squared. 45 divided by 5 is 9, so minus 9. And right here, this is a difference of two squares. Let us rewrite. 5 times x squared minus 9 is equal to 3 squared. And therefore, this is in the form of a squared minus b squared. A is x, b is 3. So now we can factor further. This is equal to 5 and then times, let's apply a plus b, so x plus 3. And then times a minus b, so x minus 3. Let's try one more. Say we have 49x squared and then minus 81y squared. So what is the factored form? Okay. 49x squared is expressed as 7x and then squared. And then minus 81y squared can be expressed as 9y and then squared. So this is in the form of a squared minus b squared. And following the formula above, the factored form is equal to a plus b times a minus b. A is 7x, b is 9y. So a plus b, so 7x plus 9y times a minus b, 7x minus 9y.